फिर मैं तो उनको अनम्यूट करूँ प्लीज।
बार बार बोल रही हूँ, तुम बार बार वही जिद करते, वही करते, मैं बोलने के बाद।
Aisha ma'am, try to unmute those, and those who are having a question can answer. Take this time to answer those questions.
Some participants, if want to ask question, they can ask.
Yeah.
तेरा इतना महंगा आम का पेड़ चला जाता है, कभी भी हरा हो जाए
something. Okay. Anyone having questions?
Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
My question is that we know that the symptoms of coronavirus are getting changed. That first of all, the symptom was that we are having fever. Then the taste, we are not getting the taste. So it is like that coronavirus is changing its genome. That's why we are not making its vaccine. It's not possible to make the vaccine because coronavirus is changing its genome.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for a wonderful question. It's really good one. Why the coronavirus symptoms are not the same? First, in the beginning. First, let me answer you in two steps. One is you are understanding corona step by step. It takes time. So this losing taste and losing smell is also a common thing in common flu. Whenever we are affected with the common cold, we do have this symptoms. And the second thing is, like genetics, you're really lucky and we are happy that we still don't have that situation yet. Only thing is we understand this thing very late because this is very common symptom which we see in common cold. But afterwards, when people go and did a research on the patients, what happened to those patients, and losing cold, taste and smell is a common thing, then they came up that, okay, this is also one of the things. But luckily, we are not at genetical level. We didn't see any genetic change because genetics and virology guys, the same, and still we have the same. But we are afraid. If thing goes wrong or if anything can happen, I am afraid that if this changes, mutation happens, it will be much difficult. But before that thing happens, we have to be responsible. We have to be taken care of things so that we can stop things here. I hope I answered your question. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You beautifully explained the answer to Mehak. Any other queries from participant?
If not the case, means yeah. I would like to know. I love it. There is nothing to hesitate. It's not necessary that we all have the science background. Yeah.
Sir, what is how many types of coronavirus we have? Asymptomatic and asymptomatic. What is that? Symptomatic, asymptomatic.
Wonderful question. Wonderful question. How many types of coronavirus we have? Sometimes we think and we listen that persons are asymptomatic. Sometimes persons have some symptoms. Corona is a family of virus. So let me tell you, there are tens and twenties of virus out there, hundreds of viruses. But this COVID-19 is having two sort of things. One is like a person, whenever he gets infected, he sees the symptoms. Because this coronavirus can be taken out by our immune system. When the immune works well, we didn't see any symptoms. Those symptoms are suppressed. And then we have those comorbid, like other conditions like Dr. Hisham explained nicely, like I can say hypertension and diabetes and all other sort of aliens. Person is weak and his immune system is weak to fight with that. Then those symptoms come out and we can see a person is symptomatic. And to make it clear that according to World Health Organization, most of the people, those who get affected, 83 to 84% didn't know that they got affected and they can be cured themselves with the immune system itself. Okay, so the asymptomatic means the person is already got affected with the corona, but he didn't show up any symptoms, like he didn't have fever, he didn't have any sort of these 5 or 6 common symptoms. So he have to go and get tested with RT-PCR, the new test. Then only after taking his droplets from his nose, they can make sure that, okay, this person got affected. So that's the reason we have to be careful with not only sick looking people, but we have to be careful with each and everyone. So in order to save those asymptomatic carriers, avoid those asymptomatic carriers.
Sir, when can we expect vaccine for COVID-19? How much time it may take it convent invent vaccine for COVID-19? When can we expect?
Yeah. Those who have a chemistry background and science background, they understand better. But the thing is, like, I'm sure to tell you, getting vaccine is not 1 or 2 days job. Like, even if you see the simple medicine in our market just for headache, it take at least 10 to 12 years of time to get into the market in normal situation. But since it's a pandemic, the regulatory board made some another like shortcut method. They cut short the method for research and doing all those phase trials. They say expedite process. So if everything goes well, we may see soon, but still to completely say that this drug is saving us, one have to spend a lot of amount of time. And vaccine, again, there is a huge difference between vaccine and medicines, medications. Vaccine helps your immune system, either by taking a kind of, it's a different sort of biological regime to boost your immune to fight with this. But where in medicine, you take a chemical molecules to help stop that particular spreading of virus, try to kill that virus, or try to stop the spread of that virus. So it may take a while to have something out, but of course, like the whole work is working day and night. And of course, in India also, we are very lucky to have certain good labs who's working day and night. And we hope to see something soon. But till then, we have to adapt and take all the precautionary measures to keep ourselves safe from that.
So I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Salahuddin, sir.
Yeah.
Is it a myth that whoever is asthmatic, if they get corona, they will not recover? Is it true? Is it a myth?
These sort of questions, I would just for the sake of information, of course, wonderful. One can go to the World Health Organization. There's a questionnaire there, and it's a myth, ma'am. It's a myth. But thing is, the possibilities are little bit lower because his lungs is already get infected. Some sort of tissues and some sort of cells of his lungs is already damaged. So to reach that drug and help restoring that function will take longer time to the normal person. So the person with asthma has to be little bit 2 times or 3 times more careful than others. But it's not necessary that the person is not at all recovering. It's been cases, people are recovering successfully with this. But one have to be really careful because prolonged usage of drugs also make person drug resistance. And especially in place of asthma, what happens is slowly lungs and some cell lines of his lungs are getting, it stops working. So it's difficult for lung to function. It's like, I explain you nice, like, you know, if there are few security guards that you get like 5 or 10, among them there are 5 sick, you have to make those 5 people to work day and night. That's a difficult task. But it is possible. Recovery is possible now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Sir, I have another question.
Yeah,
Hello?
ma'am, please go ahead. Yeah.
That is, if a person is suffering from coronavirus, if he get well, whether he or she is having chances that again, if he come in contact with
Yeah.
coronavirus, he will suffer again, or his immune system will build that much immunity that he will not have no.
Yeah.
Good
Thanks
question.
a lot. Again, wonderful question again. Like this is been talking about the plasma therapy. I didn't talk because I don't have, I thought I should focus more on this. Because once you get infected, you develop the immune system for certain type of virus, for certain. But there is a possibility that person can get sick, but not immediately, but after certain time after time. So immediately may get sick, may get infected with this particular type of virus again. It's not a permanent. Like we take BCGs, we take all those sort of things, vaccines when we were young, and chances are low, but as we go day after day, then chances are again, because those vaccines stop working, then again, we may develop sort of, your first question is very connected with that. Our immune system develop an immunity for a particular type of virus, but maybe there is certain virus with different genetic set comes in. That affects, so our system is not having a shield against that. So we may get same sort of virus, but different same family, but different virus. We cannot COVID-19, but COVID 2020 or whatever it is. Thank you. Shall I answer?
Thank you.
Yes,
Yes.
Thank you,
welcome.
sir.
You're welcome. But wonderful question.
Any other question? So now I thank you, sir. Sir very patiently answered the queries of participants. Now I invite Professor Rajiv Mahajan, Nodal Officer RUSA, DAV College, Lahore, Ambala City, to give the feedback and conclude the session. Over to you, Professor Rajiv Mahajan. Aisha ma'am, please check. She is in.
Aisha madam, Professor Rajiv Mahajan is there in the webinar.
हाँ मैडम मैं अभी देख रही हूँ राजीव महाजन सर को. सर अनम्यूट है सर का अनम्यूट है, सॉरी म्यूट है. सर को थोड़ा अनम्यूट हो जाओ बोलना है.
Professor Rajiv Mahajan, kindly unmute.
I could make a call if possible.
Or Garima madam, you can give him a call and ask him to unmute.
हाँ यस मैम.
Okay, okay.
हाँ है ना सर एडमिट. सर राजीव महाजन सर है इधर. यस इजी.
Good. So we're waiting for you, sir.
Just now he joined मैडम राजीव महाजन सर. अभी बोल रहे हैं ना राजीव महाजन सर.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
you are audible, sir.
Yes. We are thankful to Dr. Visham Bhimon and Dr. Syed Salahuddin enlightening us about COVID-19. Dr. Bisham told us situation of COVID-19 in Trinidad and how it is controlled in their country by social distancing, washing hands, wearing face masks, and they are able to flatten the curve. And he also stressed to protect the vulnerable population from the disease. Dr. Syed Salahuddin described beautifully about the myths associated with COVID-19, structure of COVID-19, and various medicines available for the treatment like hydrochloroquine, remdesivir, dexamethasone, favipiravir, and the symptoms associated with the COVID-19. He also stressed that prevention is better than cure because there is no medicine or vaccine till now. So we should follow various social distancing norms, washing hands, wearing face masks, washing hands, and he stressed very much on the washing hands, because by washing hands the COVID-19 molecule will dissolve. Protein of the COVID-19 molecule dissolves by washing with the soap. Our country is very fortunate that we are good community. We have good immunity level, and our death rate is only 3%. So, but still, we have to prevent our vulnerable population like elder people from this disease. And COVID-19 is the biggest challenge in the history of modern world, and the whole world is today united to find cure for this disease. I once again thanks very much to all the participants, the principal of Government Degree College Jahirabad, Dr. Aisha Begum, Dr. Garima Sumran, Dr. Sayyid Salahuddin, and Dr. Bisham Bhimsal for their expressing their views beautifully in this webinar. I once again thankful to all of you, all the participants, for participating in this webinar. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to add here one thing. We are also thankful to our principal, Professor Rajesh Sharma ji, for giving us the opportunity to organize the joint webinar. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks to him. Yeah.
So thank
to
you.
Aisha, ma'am.
I request the staff members of JDC Zahirabad to stay back. We will have a short meeting.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to one and all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all. Thanks for attending this webinar.
Thanks to DAV College. Thanks
Yes.
to DAV College. Everyone, the principal, Rajesh Sharma ji, the ABSB coordinator, Rajiv Mahajan ji, Garima, Simran, and all the students and staff members of DAV College. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam.
Other persons. The webinar ends now. After
Aisha,
that, yes, madam. After
can we have the staff meeting with our staff
yes,
members?
yes. Other others can leave the meeting. Others can leave the meeting. After that, we means JDC Zahirabad staff. We want to start a meeting. Please, others, you leave yourself. Please.